Exceptional. This is a 5 stars hotel. Exceptional good. Exceptional good hotel. A great place to stay in the city. I was so happy with my room there. It was clean and spacious. The staff was very friendly. They were very helpful and kind. The breakfast was fantastic with so many choices. I will definitely stay there again. Very good, excellent. Great, great. Added value with transfer to Formosa Boulevard Station. With a transfer service to Formosa Boulevard Station, traveling to the airport becomes super easy and inexpensive. Value for money. Well-appointed hotel with convenient location, on-site shopping, and clean facilities. Awesome stay. We got upgraded and the room was big and comfy. Staff were friendly and helpful. Would definitely stay in this hotel again for my next visit to Kaohsiung. Exceptional. 10 minutes walk to Liuhe Night Market and train stations. Free shuttle bus to nearest train station. 2 convenience store across the road. Exceptional staff, professional and courteous. Best beds in Asia. Best hotel near to living and food shop, neat, kind reception, wide. Very good, great quality. Great, great. Super stay. / Amazing buffet breakfast. Really pleased with this hotel. Perfect services. Would recommend without hesitation or reservation. Thanks to Mr. Howard. Awesome, we'll be back. Good location, but too far from metro. Good location, but too far from metro. Good, good. Exceptional. This is a 5 stars hotel. Exceptional good. Exceptional good hotel.